So I organized everything by category because that was just the easiest thing for me to do at that moment. So in this bag, I have napkins, hand sanitizer, napkins, hand sanitizer, what do you call these? Disinfectant wipes. And at the top, I have the hand wipes for the kids. In this bag, I have like the decorations and the tablecloths. In this bag, I have everything for adhesive. So I have my glue sticks, the containers for the glue that I'm going to separate, the glue obviously, and tape, and then I have the craft sticks for the glue cups. I have the 2 snacks that are going to go with the snacks that the library already prepared. Just remember, I have the juice boxes in the fridge right now I have to grab before we leave. And that's it for things that are in bags. Everything else is in containers. And I'm just so happy that I did this last night because I don't have to think about it right now. In here I have the additional crafts, and what I did last night, I don't think I recorded it, but I put each like individual craft in the bag so that they have everything they need. And that's what's in this container, and I have one of the finished crafts in here to go with it. So that's what's in the first container. In this container I have the headbands, the pom-poms, and the elastic string for the bracelets, and I have the washi tape. I have all the mailboxes and the heart boxes for them to decorate. They all were able to fit in this box. In this container, I believe I have all the stickers and the cutouts and things, and I also have all the rhinestones on this side. These are all the rhinestones, cutouts, stickers, the flowers, more stickers. So in this container, I have more of the finished crafts, the headband, the mailbox, the jewelry box, and this glue really is good. I'm glad I chose that one. I have all of my scissors, and I have 2 more extra packs of scissors. I have the cardstock. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. What's it called? I have the cardstock and the markers. Lastly, I have gift bags, but I'm thinking I can put something else. I can like switch out one of the bags for, I think I want to put the decorations in here with the bags. So I have 6 containers, 1 bag, the 2 snacks, plus the drinks in the fridge. I have 2 of these that I'm gonna put the containers in, so that I only have essentially 2 bags that I need to carry. Yeah. So that's all I have. I'm gonna do that now. I'm thinking oh yeah, that's the 3. And then my jacket was covering the treats. I made treat bags for each kid. So I have this bag of treats. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. Okay, I'm about to show how I organized. So these are the bags. As you can see, I have a bigger one and then a smaller one down there, a smaller one here, and then one bag there. Same here, big one at the bottom, small one here, other small one down there. And I put the 2 boxes of treats with the treat bags there. And these are the bags ready to go. This is what I have so far. I left some containers, the containers for these craft supplies, but my mom went to grab it for me. So this is gonna be the jewelry making and headband making. It's gonna be the flower pot craft. This is the decorates your own mailbox and jewelry box craft. And when the containers come, then I'll put like the jewels and everything out. And this is going to be the crafts table and the welcome table.